Hey, let's get after it. It's another video with Hackman Vader. I got a bunch of flack for this flange being too low, but I like it low. Lower than your grandma's bank account on bingo night. It's just how I roll. Let's zoom in on this and take a look. Look at that. Check it out. It's only about half an inch low, about the thickness of the tile, which isn't that big of a deal. You can always make that up easily with bam, a jumbo. Just, yeah. Oh, sorry. Got a little distracted there. People also ask me about why I put the washer and nut on first. I do this to keep it steady, you see. They're not wobbling around while I'm trying to put that toilet. But all you gotta do now is shove it down. And I'd rather it be too low than too high. Done!